You see, I need a headrest, alright? So I got me some 3-inch deck screws, alright? Lifetime warranty deck screws, okay? What I'm gonna do is put me in my chair. Okay, my chair is a pitiful of a chair. It's probably about 10 years old. Probably older than that, actually, more closer to 20. And I tell you what, this little thing right here, I tell you something, boy, I ain't got no headrest. I need a headrest. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shove it in there like that. Okay? We're gonna, This is what happens when you are cheap and you want a headrest, but you don't want to pay for it. This is exactly what happens. This is what happens when you don't want to pay for a headrest. Yep. Hey, don't worry about that. You see, and I got a place to put my head. Put me a towel on there, right there. Headrest. Yeah, see, improvement. I just made a $200 chair out of nothing. Okay, you see what I mean? 2 screws and a piece of board.